welcome to a day in the life of a horse girl, chicken lady, and big sister. I'm not the sister, I'm the little sister. Anyway, but yeah, so today I have a few things to do. Feed Catfish, of course, do a little care with him. We have to clean the backyard with the chickens and clean up their coop, refresh their coop, and then also just run a few errands and stuff like that. So come with us. Anyway, so Catfish does this thing where, as TikTok would call it, reaching flow state, where he eats a little bit of grain, then he rushes over here to eat a little bit of hay, and then he comes back all the way over here to eat a little bit of grain, comes back over here to eat a little bit of hay. Don't mind my sister also eating hay. And reaching flow state. Quick little ASMR. Catfish eating. There we go. Catfish also gets the hay sweats. Like when people get the meat sweats, he gets the hay sweats. Big Billy. All right, bye Catfish. See you later. He does not care. Goodbye. So we're done feeding Catfish. I'm done taking care of him for the morning. We have to go to Tractor Supply. We have to get horse feed. We have to get him in Jolly Stall, Himalayan Salt Lick. Shout out to them. Hopefully they could sponsor us eventually, maybe. Took a little detour and actually went to go look at the animals and stuff and the fish. Look at how cute! Look at them. Before we actually get the chicken feed. Hello, little guy. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Oh, sorry. Hello. Hello. His little limb. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. So cute. Hello. Hi, cutie pie. He's like, what you doing?
Sometimes he says it, sometimes he doesn't.
What?
He'd mimic you.
What you doing? What you doing? What What you doing?
He has longer tail feathers. He's just distracted with them, so he ends up having a little nub.
Oh. What you doing, mister? Trying to check it out and see what's on this side? Oh my God. We made it to the cutesy patootsy Tractor Supply. Rawr. See? So you don't get that much camera time. I think that's all we needed from Tractor Supply. Let's check out. See how cute. That is so cute. Tractor Supply always has the cutest stuff. So apparently, my sister asked the question if animals are allowed in Tractor Supply. And I knew dogs were because we bring our dogs to get washed. But the lady said any animal, as long as it's on a leash. She said they have brought horses, chickens, goats, cows. So, well, she didn't say chicken. So I'm gonna be the first person to bring a chicken. And guess who it's gonna be? TT. Exactly. All right, let's load up. Get in there. All the feeds are acquired. Exactly. So we took a little quick detour. We're waiting for my husband to tell us what he wants for food, or if anybody else at his job is eating, we're gonna meet up with him for lunch. Also her brother. But we took a little quick detour to go look at this beautiful park. But yeah. We stopped for a lunch break. Got some cane. I learned what Bob the Toast is, I think. So I bobbed my toast at Cane's. No. So bob the toast. So bobbing the toast means basically giving your toast a bob. And it's really tasty when you do that. We finally made it home. We are now about to get to work in the backyard. We have a lot to do. Refresh the coop, put new shavings in there, and also fill up their automatic feeder. Yeah. All right. Let's get to it. Wow. Well, London is, don't get aggressive. You don't have to get aggressive. While London is cleaning in the coop, I'm gonna go ahead and refill their automatic feeder. See chicken. Got stuck. Oh, you can get stuck. London, how has it been? Okay, so the coop is refreshed. We got started a little bit late, kind of, so it's dark now, but we're about to put the food in the automatic feeder. So we got chicken gumbo, and because my back is not that strong, we're gonna just take it several scoops by scoops. Just do it scoop by scoop like this.
For thumbs up.
We tired. Look at the edges. Look at our hair. We're tired. We're tired. We didn't get to the actual yard. We were doing the coop, and that took up a lot of time because we actually had to level it, which I forgot. It wasn't just replacing the shaving, but that's okay because we got more days. And also, this really needed to get done. So yeah, I'm glad I had London here to help me. Yeah. Let's look at our work. Let's look at our work. If you don't like it, don't judge, please. But if you do, comment below and say how great it is, I guess.
If I see any mean comments, I will be replying.
Yeah. Looks like the girls are very much enjoying.
They're doing anything and such. Chilling.
They are all enjoying it. Yes. But yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment.
Yeah.
Say bye, Scratchy, and oh, they said goodbye too. All 12 babies are up. Go up. Go.